Hi guys, good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I will
Good morning, sir.
just get. Yeah, good morning. Guys, you can see the PPT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If in case it gets cut to anything or something, just message me in the group. Okay. We have our WhatsApp group, right? Just message me there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we will go on the board today. Okay, but ma'am, camera है आज कैमरा है हाँ I thought it is here. Okay, classroom is done. हाँ what camera? Ma'am, this classroom है. Okay, guys, just give me a sec, okay? I will. It seems that we have to go to the classroom. There have been allotted classrooms, okay? Just give me a second. Guys, this is clear enough, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll just see if I can adjust it on the board. Is the board clear?
So it's too far to see anything.
Now is it clear?
No?
Still not clear?
No, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. Thank you. Is it clear now, guys?
So bring it a bit more closer to the board.
Now is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last time what we have done. In case you cannot see, just let me know. So this is the revision, okay? Binary addition. Say we want to add, okay, a binary number. Say 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. You can see me, right?
Yes, sir.
Say you want to add this. And what you got to do? 1 plus 1 gives us what?
1.
1.
0 and 1, no? With 1 with a carry. Right? So 1 comes here. 1 plus 1, 0, 1. Plus 1 again, 1 with a carry. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And 1 plus 1 gives us again what?
0, 0, 1.
1 plus
1,
1
0.
again 0. Okay? Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is basically for addition. But now say I want to do subtraction. I have to do a subtraction of this number. Now tell me, I have 1 and 1. 1 minus 1. I want everyone participating now. Hello. 1
Yes,
minus
sir. 0.
1 minus 1 again. 0.
0.
Now what I have here, I have a 0, right? So what I want to do, take it from the next term, right?
Yes.
So this cancels out, this one cancels out, becomes 0. And what comes here, 2 or 1?
1, 2,
Okay? So 2 comes here. So then what I have, 1 minus 2 is how much?
1,
Okay? Then I have
0.
everyone came to know about this binary subtraction, how to do,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Now, say we have this term. Okay. I will take another example. The decimal of this term is basically 27. And the decimal of this term is 22. We minus this, we get 5. Okay. This is the decimal. This is from binary to decimal number. Anyways, first we'll go for this. If you want to do the binary subtraction of these two numbers, now we want to do the binary subtraction of these two numbers. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0,
So 1,
1 minus 1, 0.
Yes.
Now what I
0,
have again, I have a 0 here. I have a 0 here. So what should I do? Borrow it from the next neighboring term. So this slashes off becomes 0. This 0 slashes off becomes
2, 2,
so 2 minus 1, 1.
1,
0, 0.
0,
1 minus 1,
0.
okay. And if you do the binary to decimal conversion, you can do that directly with your calculator as well. Do it in the practical time. Okay. You will get this answer, which is 5 for decimal. With your will everyone clear? Okay. Now let's do another term. You can see this, right? It's clear enough now. Okay. So I have
Yes.
0, 1, 0, 0. I have 0, 1, 0, 0. And I have 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. The decimal conversion it is 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is how much? Minus
2, 2.
So I have minus 2. But what's the difference? Here it is a plus, here it is a negative. Now, when I get this term and I basically want to do my subtraction, okay, what I will do, again it's the same procedure. I have 0, 0, 0 minus 0,
0.
0 minus 1. Obviously, so I have to take
4.
next zeroing term. This becomes 0 and 1 and 2 goes here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is 0 here and this is 1. So I have to take from the next zeroing term. But this also doesn't have a 1. So what I have to do? I have to take an imaginary one. This here. So this is the difference between this and this. When this number is greater than this, okay, then you will tend to get this circumstance. So what we have to do? Take one extra one here. So we have to assume one extra one. So when this one gets cancelled, this becomes 0. This 0 cancels, becomes 2. Okay. Now you require a 1 here also. So this 2 gets cancelled, becomes 1. 0 gets cancelled, becomes. Till here, everyone is clear? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. 1 minus 0? 1. So what I get? Triple 1, 0. I get triple 1, 0. But now if I get triple 1, 0, okay? If I convert this to my decimal, how much I am getting? If I convert it to my decimal, how much I am getting? Triple 1, 0 connected to decimal, how much I get? I get 14 raised to the power of 10. I get 14 raised to the power of 10. So is this correct? Definitely it is not correct. Okay. Now, what we got to do here is, since we have taken this 0, there is another step involved. There is another step because we have taken one extra. So what I got to do is, take this whole term, what I got here, 1, 1, 1, 0, down. And on top of it, what I got to do is, wherever this comes, now say we have 4 digits here. Okay, so I have to take here 0, 0, 0, 0. So for all I have to take 0. And at the last, I mean at the very first, I will pick up 1. So I have to take all zeros on top, and before the 0 I have to put 1 and minus. Okay? So I have to take this number down. On top of it, whatever number is there, put all zeros, and here you put up. So this whole term 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1. Now let's do the subtraction. Let's begin. So what I get here? 0. Now this is 0 here. This is 0 here also, and here also 0. So what I got to do? Slash this out. This becomes 0. The 0 slashes becomes 2. Okay. I slash this 2, it becomes 1. Okay. Again this slashes becomes 2. Okay. Alright. So again 2 minus 1 gives us how much? 1 minus 1 again 0. 1 minus 1 again gives us. So what I got? 0, 0, 1. Everyone clear? So this is basically my answer. But since this extra term was taken here, okay, so we have to remember that it is minus. So this minus sign comes because of this, because we have taken one term extra. So that's the reason why you have to put your negatives. So your answer is basically minus 0, 0, 1, which is nothing but minus 2 in decimal. Till here, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You all can just open your calculator and see that binary and decimal mode. It is written. Okay. So you all came to know how to do the binary subtraction of it. Okay. So always remember there are two cases. First, the easiest case will be 27 minus 22 like this. Okay. Wherein your top term is obviously greater than the bottom term. But if you have like 4 minus 6, then this is greater than this, okay, then you will have to basically give a code. So whenever this extra term comes, okay, whenever you are putting that extra one, okay, always remember there is this second step which has to be followed. So whenever you have to put like this an extra one here, okay, there is a second step that follows. So this second step here basically will give you will have to do and put all these terms 0 and put one in front. When this one is there in front, then do the subtraction again and this will be your term. And the minus sign it comes because of this. So this minus sign remember to. So this is the rule. So you get minus 0 0 1 0 which is minus 2 to the base of second decimal. Okay. Now, if you see this procedure of binary subtraction, for this it is very easy, somewhat. Okay. But here it tends to become little tedious. So there is another way, and say if there are more numbers involved, more binary digits involved, then it becomes even more complex. So there is another way also where we can do this substitution. So using ones complement and two's complement. Now we go for ones complement. So say we have 1 0 1 0. The binary number. Now it's one complement. Okay. The theoretical aspect is like this. 1 0 1 0. Okay. And for all these terms, whatever it is, say there are 4 here. You have to take all as 1 1 1. So if there are more terms here, then again those will be 1 1 1. So you have to take 1 1 1 1 on top. And you have to do the minus. So when we do the minus of 1 1 1 minus this term, okay, the answer we get is 1 0 1 0. So we basically get 0 1 0 1. So this 0 1 0 1 is your ones complement. So this is the theory way. But in an easy way to sum it all up, what you got to do for ones complement? If you have 1 0 1 0, just take the inverse of this. So you got 0 1 0 1. This is also the same thing. Okay, but theoretical aspect, this is the way how it is done. 111 minus this. So whenever they tell you find out the ones complement, whatever is the inverse that you got to. So if we are implementing it in a gate form, what gate we have to use? Guys, all are there? So nahi rahe ho
Yes,
na?
Not
sir.
Alright. So if you have to implement it in a gate form, what you got to do? Which gate will you use?
not
Which gate?
not
Not gate. Correct. One. Just increase. Sorry guys, I cannot see your messages because Actually, there's a chair kept on top, so I can only hear you all. 1 minute. So, who's the volume? So this is basically your one spot. So what we got to do? You will use a NOT gate. So if we are using a NOT gate, this is how your NOT gate will look like. Okay. And you have your value. Your input value is what? 1 0 1 0. So it will be 1 0 1. So your output will be what? 0 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1. Becomes 1. 1 becomes 0. So you get 0 1 0 1. The payment. So this is basically how you can use your NOT gate.
So,
Yeah.
so few people can't see the board.
People can't see the board.
Yeah, like they're asking if you can take the camera closer.
No man, I cannot take the camera any more close. If I take the camera more close, I think the college laptop will fall down. You all want me to do it on you all want me to do it on Excel sheet? So that will be clearer, I guess. Is that okay? You want me to do it on Excel sheet?
I think it's fine. You can.
Excel sheet is okay? You all want me to do it?
Yeah, sir, fine.
Okay, I'll do it on Excel sheet. I'll open an Excel sheet. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is my Excel sheet. So I'll put my 1000 here. Okay, whatever I have to do. So if they tell you to find out the ones complement, okay, they tell you to find out the ones complement. So what I have, say I have 1, control all, enter. All right. So I have basically 1, I have 0, I have 1, and I have 0. So if I want my ones complement, okay. So whatever is here, I have to do its inverse. So 1 inverse becomes what? 0. Inverse of 0 is 1. Inverse of 1 is 0. Inverse of 0 is 1. I think I'll just turn off my camera so it becomes more clearer. I will not get anything looking at my face. So yeah. Okay. Is the Excel sheet clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is basically my ones complement. Okay. So whenever they say 1's complement, just do the inverse of it. That's it. Now say you want to do your 2's complement. So when they say do 2's complement, then what you got to do is just add one more. Insert. Okay. So say the 2's complement is right now 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. We'll just take a little complicated one. So I have what? 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. And I have 1, 0, 1, 0. And now they say find out the 2's complement. So when they say find out the 2's complement, okay, what you got to do is whatever term is here, first take its 1's complement. So whatever term you have here, first take its 1's complement. So you have its 1's complement. Okay. Now for 1's complement, what will be the value here? Can someone tell me?
0,
What will be the value? 0,
1,
1,
0,
0, 0,
0,
0,
1,
0,
0, 1.
1. Okay, easy. Okay, so now we got basically 1's complement. And once we got the 1's complement, okay, what we got to do is we have to add it up. 1 minute. We have to add it up with 1. So let's add it up with 1. We have to add 1. ADD add 1. We have to add 1 to the term. So plus 1, I think we'll write. Okay, so when we have to add 1, okay, the sign is not coming. So okay. I have 1 here. So I'm adding 1. Now when I add 1, so this term, what you see here, plus 1. So what will be my answer here? 1 plus 1?
0.
1 plus 1? 0. Okay, with a carry of 1. So 1 comes here. Okay, so what will come here? 1, correct? It is this term, 1's complement plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 0 with a carry of 1. Here it will be 1. So 1 comes down. What will be here? 1. Here it will be what? 0, 0, 0. So what it will be? 1. And here it will be 0. So this is basically known as my 2's complement. Everyone clear? What's 2's complement? Guys?
So 1 minute. So 1 minute.
Yeah. See, you have this term, right? You have this term. Okay? This term plus this term. You got it? Everyone? You all understood? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is this term plus this one. So whenever they say 2's complement, first find out its 1's complement, that is its inverse. So whatever is 1 here becomes 0, whatever is 0 here becomes 1, whatever is 1 here becomes 0, and so on. And again 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So whatever is here becomes the inverse. So once you got the ones complement plus 1, that is you have to add 1. So when you add 1, what will happen? 1 plus 1, carry of 1. Okay. So when it is a carry of 1, okay, what will happen? 1 will come down. This 1, this 0, 0, 0. Okay. This 1
So
here.
what about the
Then,
carry one?
sorry,
What about the carry one?
where?
The
So
third
after,
last.
Sorry.
Third last, sir.
At this point,
so no, see, after you did 1 plus 1, we get 0 and 1.
yeah.
Okay, so after that, on the
So wait, I'll
second,
just show you. I'll just show you. I think I got your point. 1 minute. Okay. So I can just show you your carries. So I'll just. Okay. Now is it clear?
yeah,
Okay. So see, I got 0, I got 1 and 1, right? 1 and 1 gives us what? 1, 0. Okay. It gives us basically 0 with a carry of 1. So carry is where? Here. Carry comes here. Okay.
yeah,
1 plus 0 is what? 1. Carry is here, no?
yes,
Okay. So it becomes what? 1. Then here what I have any term, it is all 0 only here, no? If in case it's not 1, then it is all zeros here. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Got it? Everyone? Well, understood this, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Well, got this, right? Everyone? How this is done?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. All right. So we basically add it up. So always remember, if there is no 1, then definitely it is a 0. Okay. If there is no 1, it is definitely a 0. So you have to assume it as 0. Okay. So everyone came to know how to do 1's complement and 2's complement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. बाद में फिर से पूछोगे नहीं ना? Tell me now only. No problem. We have time. Everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we basically got 1's complement now and 2's complement. Always remember 1's complement is just the inverse. Okay, and 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. Okay, 1's complement plus 1. So that gives us your 2's complement. Now we got basically our 2's complement. Okay, now we'll go for the next stage. We'll solve some problems just for your this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll do another one. Something from here. Zero 1 1 0 0. Okay, planning to give you all one more problem. Okay, first we'll do the problem, then I'll teach all the shortcut method, because I always teach all the shortcut method now. So before I teach all the shortcut method, first we'll do some practice. Everyone okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
all want to learn the shortcut method beforehand only?
So no, first give us some.
शेयर, इतने होनहार बच्चे हो तुम लोग. शेयर, proud of you all यार. Okay, done. I will teach all the shortcut method later. First, I'll understand this. Okay. So say now the problem is, okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Let's make this 1 since that was a 0 then. Let's make this a 0. Okay, now you all tell me the answer. Start doing it, come on. You'll have to tell me the direct answer, huh? Don't give me all that Ramayana of 1's complement and all. Tell me the 2's complement directly. Yes, tell me the answer.
0 1 0 0
1, 0, 0.
1 1 1 1.
Okay, so let's see if this is correct or wrong. So what we got to do first? 1's complement. So this becomes 0, this becomes 1, becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0. After that, what we got to do? Plus 1. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So whatever. Oh, wait. How you all got 1 here? So the
I
answer
don't know.
you told me, no? How you got 1 here?
I don't know. I did some carry.
You had 1 here, no? 1 becomes what here? 0 and 1's
0.
complement. Okay? And then plus
Yeah.
1. Okay? See this, no? 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 0 plus 0 is what? 0, no? 0 plus 0 is 0, no, Baba?
So there's no carry for 0 and 1 in the beginning.
Carry for?
The first one for 0 plus 1, there's no carry.
0 plus 1, how there will be a carry, Baba? 0 plus 1
Okay.
is what? 1, no? 1 plus
Yeah.
1 gives you a carry of 1, no?
Okay.
0 plus 1
Got
is
it now.
1, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 it gives you a 0 with a carry of 1. No? You got this, right? You're clear, right? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we have basically 0 plus 1, which gives us 1. Then 1 here, 1 here. And even if you were saying, if this was say 1, okay, say if this was 1, 1 plus 1 gives us what? 0 with a carry of 1 here. Now tell me what it will give us? 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 will give us what?
0
0 with a carry of?
1
Okay, then again 1 plus 1? 0
0
with a carry of 1.
1.
1 plus 0? 1. So this would be your answer, and then all these terms come like this. Okay, but however, if this was basically 0, then this would be the answer. Okay, but since it is 1, this becomes 0 here. So I just gave an example so that you come to know. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Then we have again 1. Then again we have 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Clear? Till here?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes.
very good. Want one more problem to do this? Or you all understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay, done. So I'll go for the shortcut method. Okay. Now see, this method what I'm giving you is only for competitive exams, not for your this thing for your paper when it comes. For your paper when it comes, you have to do as per procedure. Okay. This is a shortcut method which I have done, which I have made. Okay. But use it only when you have to answer gate or whatever, and for cross checking your use complement or whatever. So you can just write down rules for the shortcut method. Rules for shortcut method. Step 1, write down the given number. Write down the given binary number. Write down the given binary number. Second step, starting from LSB, copy all the zeros. Starting from LSB, copy all the zeros till the first one. Till the first one. Number 1. Till the first one. Third step, copy the first one. Copy the first one. Copy the first one. And fourth step, complement all the remaining bits. Complement all the remaining bits. Everyone copied it down? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone wrote the steps, no? Okay. Now I'll show you the shortcut method. Okay, now see, for this value, okay, what we got here, what is the answer? This is the answer to it, right? So now let's see if from this, whether I can get my value directly. Okay, so let's see if I can get my value directly. Again, I'm saying, don't use this shortcut method for anything. Only for competitive exams like GATE and all, use it. I was studying for it, so I had made this technique. Okay. So we have 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. So now what does this thing state? First rule, write down the given number. So we wrote down the given number. Okay. After writing down the given number, okay, then starting from the LSB, okay, LSB is what? Least significant bit. Okay. Oh, it is the leftmost bit. The leftmost bit is this. So starting from the LSB, copy all the zeros till the first one. So we have to copy all the zeros till the first one. So the least significant bit is what? 1. But is there a 0 here? Guys, is there a 0 here?
No.
Okay. So if there is no 0 here, can we copy 0? No. All right. And the third step is what? Copy the first one. This is the first one. So I write this as the first one. Okay. And the fourth step, complement all the remaining bits. What do you mean to say by complement all the remaining bits? That means 1's complement. Okay. I have to do the inverse of this. So if this is 0 here, I have to make this 1. If this is 1 here, I have to make this 0. So I have to complement the rest of all the bits. So what I got to do? 0 becomes 1. This becomes 1. This becomes 0. This becomes 1. Sorry, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. This becomes 1. And this becomes 0. You can see this answer and this answer, both are matching.
Yes, sir.
You all understood the technique, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do the same technique for the top one as well. This highlighting and all becomes nice so you all can understand it. Okay. So now let's do this one. So what we have again 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. What is the first thing? Write down the given number which we have already done. Starting from the LSB, copy all the zeros. So starting from the LSB, this is the least significant bit. There's a 0 here, yes. So here also I have to put a 0. Now, after that what came? 1. So now I have to stop. Okay. So this one, third step, I have to write here. Then remaining whatever bits are here, I have to do the inverse. So this 1 becomes 0, this becomes 1, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and this becomes 1. Now again, check this and this. Both are same?
Yes, sir.
This and this. Okay. Everyone understood the technique, how it is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's solve another example. Okay. So let's take the number. Okay, so let's take the value, say 0, 0, 0, 0. And let's take a 1 here. One, 0, 1, 1, triple 1. Okay. All right. Now let's do the long method first and see what value we get. If this is 1, what is its 1's complement? 0. This is the term, right? What we have to find out the 2's complement of this term 1 0 1 1. If this is 0, it becomes what here? 1. This is 1, here it becomes 0, 0, 0. There it becomes 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then what we got to do? Add 1 plus 1, which is here. So 1 plus 1 becomes what, guys?
0.
Yes. Okay. So 1 plus 1 becomes 0 here. With a carry of what? Carry of 1. 1 plus 1 again becomes here 0. With again a carry of 1. 1 plus 1 again 0. With a carry of what? 1. And here what becomes? 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0?
1.
1. And here it becomes 0, 0, 1, and then 0. So this is your 2's complement. Now let's see the shortcut method. Okay, I have my term here, my binary term. Okay, and I want to make it the 2's complement. So according to the rules, first thing, write down the term. Once the term is written down, starting from the LSB from here, whichever is 0, put all the zeros down. So starting from here, 0 is there, so I put this 0 down. 0 is here, I put this 0 down. 0 is here, I put this 0 down. Okay. After that, 1 comes. So when 1 comes, that first one you have to put down. And rest of all these terms which are there, inverse. So what we got? 1 becomes 0, this becomes 1, this becomes 0, and this becomes 0. Now check this term and this term. Both are same, guys?
Yes,
See
sir.
this? Okay. So this shortcut method is only used in competitive exams like GATE and all. So use it only that time. But when they are telling you to do 2's complement, all these steps will come into play. Got it? But you can cross check it in this way. Okay? Whether you have done whatever you have done is correct or wrong. Everyone clear with this? The shortcut
Yes, sir.
method of 2's complement?
Yes.
Now let's go for the next one. Binary subtraction using 1's complement. Binary subtraction using 1's complement. Okay, just write down the steps. Okay, now first thing, why binary subtraction is done using 1's complement. Now whenever we did our subtraction here on the board, you saw how difficult it was. It becomes complicated now, and when the terms become more, when those 1 and 0 become more and more, when the size increases, it becomes more complicated. So in order to minimize the complication and to maintain the simplicity for the subtraction and addition purpose, we are basically using this 1's complement technique. So binary subtraction is used. Binary subtraction is done using this 1's complement. In the same way how we do binary subtraction using 1's complement, we can do binary subtraction using 2's complement as well. Everyone clear? So we'll start with the first one, binary subtraction using 1's complement. Step 1, convert the binary number to be subtracted. Convert the binary number to be subtracted to its 1 complement form. To its 1 complement form. Second, perform addition. Second, perform addition. Third, if the carry is 1, then add 1 to the result obtained. Then add 1 to the result obtained. If the carry is 0, the result obtained is negative. If the carry is 0, the result obtained is negative. And put the result in its 1 complement form. Okay, I'll just repeat. If the carry is 0, the result obtained is negative, and the result is in its 1 complement form. Okay, everyone wrote these rules? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take one example. So binary subtraction. Using 1's complement. Okay, so now we have binary subtraction using 1's complement. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, for example, say it is the term is A, okay, minus B. Okay, so you have a binary number which is A, and another binary number which is b. So it is a minus b, which gives us the value. Okay. So what it is basically a minus b, but we know it can even be written in this form, can even be written in a plus minus b. Is this correct, guys?
Yes,
It's the
sir.
same thing. Okay. So what we are doing is, okay, we are using ones complement technique, okay, to basically get the ones complement of this b. Okay. Once we get the ones complement, we add both, okay, using binary addition, which is very easy. So this is basically our funda, what we are doing. Let's take an example so we can understand exactly what we are doing. Okay, so say we have this term. So we have to do the subtraction of 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 minus 0 1 0 1. Okay, so we have to do the binary subtraction of both of these terms. So if we have to do the binary subtraction, okay, using ones complement technique. Okay, before we go for ones complement technique, okay, let's do the binary subtraction by the method I taught you all already. Okay, so then we can compare both the answers, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go for the normal method first, which is it's very tedious and long. Okay. So the value is 1 1 0 0. Okay, minus 0 1 0 1. Okay, okay guys, so tell me what will be the answer for normal subtraction, what we have done here. 0 minus 1, we cannot get a value because it is 0, so we have to go to this term, but this term is also 0, so we have to go to this term. Now this term gives us what? Okay, it gives us a 1 here. So what we got to do, insert, okay, so what we got to do, this 1 cancels, okay, this 1 cancels and becomes a 0 here, right? This 1 cancels, becomes a 0 here. Then what comes here? 2. Okay, but you have to give from here also, so this 2 also cancels, becomes 1, and 2 comes here. Now here also it's 0 and 1, so again you have to cancel from here, so this becomes a 0 and 2 comes here. Everyone clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2 minus 1 gives us what?
1.
Correct. Then 1 minus 0,
1.
2 minus 1,
1.
1.
0 minus 0.
0.
0.
Okay. So what answer we got? 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the answer what we should get even using 2's complement technique. So this first term what is there is basically known as my A. Okay. And the second term my B. Okay. So what I got to do? First I have to take my A term. What is my A term? 1. Guys, tell me what's my A term? 1,
1, 1, 0,
1,
0.
0, 0. Okay. Then what I got to do? I have to take the B term. What I have to take? The 1's complement of the B. Look at your rules. Okay. Binary subtraction. Convert the number to be subtracted to its 1 complement. Okay. What is the number to be subtracted? Is minus B, right? So this is the number to be subtracted. So I have to take its 1's complement. So 1's complement of B. Everyone is understanding this? 1's complement of B. So what is the 1's complement of this B term? 0, 1, 0, 1. What's the complement of it? 1's
1,
complement.
0, 1, 0.
1, 0, 1,
1, 0.
0. Okay. Now once I got this, what I got to do? It's an addition, right? It's an addition, no? Okay. Because I got 1's complement of B, which is nothing but minus B. So I got A, I took it in this form. You can see, guys,
Yes,
you're
sir.
understanding? I got it in this form.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is A plus minus B. Okay, so I got this term and this term. So now I have to add both of these terms. So when I add, what answer I get? When I add, what answer I get? Tell me. What I get here? 0 plus 0.
0.
0. Very good. 0 plus
1.
1. 1. 1 plus 0.
1.
1. 0 plus 0.
1. 0.
0.
0 and 1.
With a carry of 1.
1.
Now see here, you're getting a carry basically here. Okay, so let's highlight this carry. The carry is what? 1. Now go back to your rule. Okay, if carry is 1, okay, if carry is 1, then add the result. Okay, add the result or add 1 to the result obtained. So whatever result you obtained here, add a 1 to it. Okay, see, this is your answer. Okay, but you have to add a 1 to it. Okay, so what I get, I'll take the result down again. 0, 1, 1, 0. Whatever term I got here, I took it down here. And what I have to do now? What I got to do?
Add 1.
Add 1.
Add 1. I'll share this Excel sheet afterwards in the group to you all. So add 1. I'm adding 1. So I put my 1 here. Okay. Now, what will be my answer? Tell me. What will be now my final answer? Tell me, Ray.
1.
0 plus 1,
1,
1, 1,
1,
1,
1, 0.
0.
0. So I have basically 0, 1, 1, 1. Now see this answer, what you achieved here. This is your answer, na? What you got? And check this answer. Both are same.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what we can say, we can even find out using this method as well. Okay. But if you notice, this method becomes more convenient. Okay. Because it's much more easier. You're doing an addition here. Here you're doing subtraction. You may go wrong. For these many terms, it's okay. But say if there were 8 terms here, like this, then what you would do? Okay, it would become more complex. So that's the reason why we are using this. Everyone clear? Guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, easy it is till here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now let's go for the next one. Now we have to see the second condition. Na? If you are getting a carry of 0, so here it will be basically 0. So let's see that. Control B. Okay, before we go to that, I just want to show you one thing. Okay, see, this is basically your binary number, no? So what is the decimal? You can do it easily with your calculator. Eh? What is the decimal of this? Binary is 1100. So decimal conversion of this is how much? You'll know how to do the binary conversion on your calculator, guys. I'll teach all that in the practical. Okay, so as of now, just remember this much. The decimal number of this, okay, is it's not accepting symbols. So the decimal number of this is basically 12. Okay, so it is what? 12, and this number 1010 is basically 5. Okay, so it is minus 5. So 12 minus 5 is how much? Guys, 12 minus 5 is how much? How much?
7.
7.
So 12 minus 5 basically gives us 7. So this is what we basically have to get, 7. Okay. Just cut this and paste it here. Okay. So what we have to get is basically 7. But now if we do the decimal conversion of 0110, the answer we are getting is what? The answer we are getting is 6. Everyone clear? The answer what we are getting here is 6. So that's the reason why we have to add this plus 1 to get this answer. This 0111 is basically is 7. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this 0, 1, 1, 1 is basically 7. Okay. But what we got here, 0, 1, 1, 0, we got 6. So that's the reason why we have to add 1, 1. So what is done here is nothing but 6. Okay. Plus 1. It's not showing the plus sign. Okay. But please understand it is a plus. Okay. So it is basically 6 plus 1, which gives us 7. Okay. So this is the reason why. So whenever this 1 is there, you have to add 1. Okay. To get this term. Till here, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we'll go for
sir.
the, yeah. Now we'll go for the next one. Now say the number is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Minus 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Say now this is the number. Everyone got this? Say it is 1, 0, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So again, let's go as per the rules. Okay. Convert the number to be subtracted. That means this number to be subtracted into its 1 complement form. So A I am going to write as it is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now here what I have to do? 1's complement of B. 1's complement of B is what? Tell me. The first term becomes what? 0.
0.
What becomes here?
0.
What becomes
0.
here?
1, 1.
1.
So we got this. Now this term plus this term. Okay. This term plus this term gives us what? 1 plus 1? 0 with a carry of 1.
1.
1.
1 plus 1?
0.
1.
Again a carry
0.
of 1.
1.
1 plus 1? Again 0
0.
with a carry of 1. 1 plus 0?
1.
So we got what? 1, 0, 0, 0. But what is the carry here? There's no carry. So the carry here is basically 0.
0.
So when the carry is 0, check your rule. If the final carry is 0, okay, the result obtained, okay, is negative. The result obtained is negative, and you have to write the result in its 1 complement form. And you have to write the result in its 1 complement form. So here there's no addition. But what we have to do is we have to write it in its 1 complement form. Now what they have said, result is negative. So now I know my result is minus. So I'm writing minus here first only. Okay. And instead of addition, what I got to do? 1's complement. Okay. So 1's complement of the result. What is the result? This is my result. 1's complement of the result. So I write the result here. So whatever is here, the same copy. This is basically my result. Everyone clear? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since my carry is 0, okay, whatever result I got, I have to do its ones complement. So this is my result. Okay. So I have to do its ones complement. So what will be the ones complement now? Tell me.
0.
Here what will come?
1. 1.
And what will come
1.
here? Okay. So now I got my ones complement of the result. So this is basically my final answer. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this?
No.
Okay. Now let's do the decimal also and see how we did the decimal conversion here. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1 gives us how much? In decimal, 0, 1, 0, 1 gives us how much? 5, right? Okay. And 0, 0, 1, 1 gives us basically 12. But what 12 minus 12? Gives us minus 12. Everyone clear with this? So it is 5 minus 12. So 5 minus 12 is how much?
-7.
Minus 7. Okay. So we have 5 minus 12 as minus 7. So I have to get the result of what? Minus 7. But here what result I am getting? 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0 is what? 1, 0, 0, 0 is what? Tell me. It is basically 7. It is plus 7. But what you want minus 7. Everyone clear? You want basically minus 7. So if you want minus 7, what you got to do is do its ones complement. And when you do its ones complement, that means you inversed it, you will get the value of minus 7. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember, as per the rule, what we got to do, I'm just going again. First take the full number. Okay. The full number is what? 0101A. Okay. The B's, for the B term, you have to do the ones complement. So 1100 becomes 0011. Okay. And do the addition. Okay. Normal step. Once this is done and I got my value, but here what is happening? The carry is what? 0. It is not 1, how it was happening here. So here the carry is basically 0. So here if the carry is 0, then go as per the rule. If the final carry is 0, the result obtained in step 2, okay, is negative. So here I have to put my negative sign. You got it? Why the negative sign has come? Okay, so here I have to put my negative sign. So it is minus 0, 1, 1, 1. So first I have to put my negative sign. Okay, the result is negative, and whatever result I got here, it's basically its ones complement. So minus, and I have to put its ones complement. Ones complement will be the inverse. So here if it is 1, it's 0. Here if it is 0, it's 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So what I got? Minus 7. Till here everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not 7, this will be something else. Okay, but this is basically minus 7. So we got basically minus 7, which is correct. I'll just find out the value. Wait, I'll tell you. Numerical system, binary. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0. So it is basically 8. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. The decimal is basically 8. Everyone clear? So 8 is not matching with minus 7, right? So that's why we did this, 1's complement of this term. And then we got the correct answer, which is minus 7. Okay, so our answer, what we got is minus 0, 1, 1, 1. Till here, everyone is clear? Till here,
Yes,
everyone
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do the same procedure for this using a normal subtraction technique. Using your normal subtraction technique. And check whether you're getting the same answer. Now, normal subtraction technique is basically time consuming, but you will at least understand the procedure, how it is done. Here there will be 2 more steps to be done. So I'm taking it on top. It is not yellow because it's not going to be your final answer. So say we have our normal subtraction. We have what? 0, 1, 0, 1. And the other number is what? 1, 1, 0, 0. Right? So we have a minus here. Nice. Okay, done. Okay. So what should be our answer here, guys? Tell me. 1 minus 0?
1.
0 minus 0? 0.
0.
1 minus 1?
0.
0 minus 1? Okay. Now here there is a trick. Okay, what we have. So what we got to do? We have to
Carry.
get a 1. We have to assume 1, 1. Okay, so I'll assume 1, 1 here. Okay, so I'll highlight this one. So this is one extra one which I have to get. So this one cancels, becomes 0. And here what will happen? The 0 will become what? 2. 2 minus 1 this is the carry, not the borrow. Not the carry, the borrow. So 2 minus 1?
1.
Correct. Here what it is? 0 will be. So you can leave that term out. So we got what? 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, we got 1, 0, 1, 1. But here we have done a manipulation, right? Here we have taken 1, 1. So what I showed on the board, same thing. So what I got to do? Take this whole term, paste it here. Okay, so I got this whole term. And what I got to do here? What I have to add here? What should I put? Tell me. I showed you all this. For all these terms, what I should put? 0 on.
0.
Okay. And here what I'll put? 1.
1.
And since I have taken an extra 1 here, here also, then I have to take a minus sign. So whatever answer I get, I have to do it with a minus sign. Till here, everyone clear? And this whole term also has to be minus back again. So I put all my borders. Okay, so what I get as my answer? Tell me. What I get as my answer?
Minus 0, 1, 1, 1.
So I get minus 0, 1, 1, 1. So let's check if I'm getting this value. Okay. So this is 0 here. So if this is 0 here, I have to take my carry. So this becomes basically 0. Okay. My final carry becomes, I'm not, it's basically 2 and 1, but I'm just writing directly here. Okay. It's understood. You got it, right? I'm writing directly the carry. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 minus 1 basically is 1. And 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. Oh, wait. There is a mistake here. So okay. So let's do this again. I think we have done some mistake here. Okay. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1. Zero, 1, 0, 1. We'll just check it up. 1, 1, 0, 0 minus this. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0, 0. Okay, we did a mistake here. 0 minus 0 is what? 0, no? Guys?
0.
तुम लोग क्या रे? हाँ? Guys, at least check it, na? 0 minus 0 is basically 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Now what I have a 0 here. So that's why I had to put this 1 here. So 1 comes here. Okay. I take out this. This becomes 0. Carry generated is what? 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. So I got what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, but what I have done, I have taken a 1 here. So my final term is what? It's a minus. It's a minus here. So I took the final term as minus. Now, whatever value I got here, okay, I put the value down 1, 0, 1, 1. And on top of that, for whatever is here, 1, 0, 1, 1, I have to take all zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0. And after that, I have to take a 1. So this whole term minus 1. So let's see what we get. This
So,
becomes 0. Hello? What happened?
so 1001.
The answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the
Hello,
answer.
sir.
Write it. I'll write it.
The
Tell me the answer.
question was
On line 56, 1001.
1.
so on line 56, 1001.
956? What?
Sir, check line 56, sir.
56. Okay.
1001.
Yes. Okay. Here 0 is correct. Okay. So we have basically what? 1000, and this is 1001 because this term has to be same as this term. Correct. Okay. So now let's do the calculation. So this becomes 0 here. This becomes 2. Correct. Now you have to borrow 1 from here also, so it goes here. right? So I have to borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 1, this becomes 2, and again I have to borrow 1, push here. So this becomes 2, this becomes 1, and again finally 2 comes here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 again 1, and 1 minus 1 0.
0.
So what answer we got? 0, 1, 1, 1, which is the same as this. Everyone can see. So the answer is what? Minus 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember, it is minus 0, 1, 1, 1. So you have to keep in mind, and you have to put the minus sign. If you don't put the minus sign, then you lose your marks. Okay, it goes as a wrong answer. So remember, your answer is minus 0, 1, 1, 1. Everyone clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go for the next one. We'll solve some problems more, or is this okay? Well understood. Well, want more problems, guys? Or you all understood?
Sir, understood.
Okay. So these problems then you all take for home. Okay. Take the first problem. 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. First one. Second one. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Solve using 2's complement. So solve using 1's complement. So do this binary subtraction using 1's complement. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Binary subtraction using 2's complement. Binary subtraction using, what is the time, guys? Okay, this topic will go for the next class. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
So for next class, we are going to basically go for binary subtraction using 2's complement. I'll save this Excel sheet for you all, so it remains as a reference for you. So this will be. You'll just write down the rules, so it becomes easier next class. Okay. Find 2's complement number to be subtracted. Find the 2's complement number to be subtracted. You can use the shortcut technique also. I have no problem as long as the answer is correct. Okay. Find the 2's complement number to be subtracted. Second, perform the addition. Perform the addition. Third, if the carry is generated, then the result is positive. If the carry is generated, then the result is positive. And second, if the carry is not generated, then the result is negative, and the result is in its 2's complement form. I'll repeat, if the carry is not generated, then the result is negative, and the result is in its 2's complement form. Everyone got that? The steps? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm tired also, no? Okay. So this is basically for tomorrow. Okay, I'll take your roll call. Okay, roll number 1. Roll number 1. Absent. Okay. Roll number 2.
Present, sir.
Roll number 3. Roll number 3 absent. Roll number 5. Ah, okay. Roll number 3 present. Yeah, I didn't see the message. Roll number 5. Okay. Present. Roll number 6.
Present, sir.
Roll number 7.
Present, sir.
Roll number 8.
Present, sir.
Roll number 9. Roll number 9. Absent. Roll number 10. Okay, present. Roll number 11. 11. Absent. So roll number 11, roll number 9, and roll number 1 are absent. Okay?
So, the newcomer 12.
I can't hear you, man. Tell me again.
Someone newcomer 12. Roll number 12.
What? Guys, okay, just type it for me. I can't.
Sir, he's a newcomer. Roll number 12.
Roll number 12 is a newcomer. Okay, okay. Congratulations. What's your name?
So, Vishwatij.
Diplomat, right?
Yeah, from diploma, competence maybe.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. So they have given you your roll number is 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. I marked you present, okay, for today. So this is your first joining, na? As of today.
Yeah, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, guys, take care. Okay. Till
Thank
here,
you,
any
sir.
doubts, guys? Everything is clear, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.